As an instructor, one of the features that Packet Tracer offers is the ability to have it in the background during my presentations, so I can jump to it if I need to illustrate a point. For instance, during this PowerPoint presentation, I can Alt-Tab to Packet Tracer, open the interface on the router, and demonstrate the command as it would be on a real router. It gives the students the experience of seeing the command and all the responses from the router interface without actually having to have a router in place. When the command's done entering, I can demonstrate that it in fact has been created by using a show run. And once the show run is done, Alt-Tab back to my presentation and continue where I left off in PowerPoint. This feature allows Packet Tracer to be very, very usable, very friendly, and available all the time.